Wanna know how to add profile picture to your profile in PlantNet? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your PlantNet website. So you can just simply hit towards identify the PlantNet on your favorite browser, and you should be provided with this interface right here, and make sure you are logged in. So once you have done all of that, on the top right side is missing your profile or your profile icon. So you can just simply select it, and now once you have selected it, just simply hit towards my account right here. So once you have selected my account, here you should be seeing your account and your account name. So you can just simply scroll down a little bit, and right under profile you should be seeing your avatar. So you can just simply select choose file right here. So once you have selected choose file, your file explorer should open up. So now you can just simply select any images right here, and once you have done it, your preview should be shown in this green leaf icon right here, and you can select update, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.